Good day, my name is Freddy Velosa Rodriguez. This is my story is was. So many times scared me. I travel with my family. I went and to tag land. This was in the tag of Tokyo. We was on the pool. I have passed beside side of the pool. I had was up and fallen. My family was seen is six knots no found it seen. I have become seen I drank a lot of the water. The lifeguard are talking is always looking. It looks me time to recover. I have not stopped or traveling. I have forgotten that happened today. I have learned to swim. I have regained my confidence. I have to swim in my pool. It's hard thanks to very much.